I'm going to pull the rear cover or the front cover here over the bow of the boat. And then so you're completely covered there on the front, and the same thing would happen on the rear. I have my motor there, and I don't have the handle slit yet for this, so it's pretty simple. You're able to hunt vegetation straps here. There's also loops or straps in between the windows if you want to put a little rocky grass there. Here's when you're not using the windows or someone's not hunting out of that position, you simply leave them down to keep the elements out. Completely concealed and covered. Vegetation straps on the rear as well. This pulls down. 500 denier Cordura. Windproof, waterproof, rotproof. Just make sure you keep it out of the sun and you won't have any problems.